the end of the road, between the water tower and the power lines. We're a cloud of dust once I get her buckled in my pickup truck. She's 10 pounds of sugar in a 5-pound sack, a Hollywood looker and a John Deere cap. I go fast, she hollers faster. She's the first one up the hayloft ladder. A girl like that's what a country boy's after. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. The back roads, sucking jet fuel from the radio. Cows and cornfields flying by. Gates locked, up the fence, sneak past the barn where the riverbank bends. She's the best skinny dipper that you ever gonna find. She can hit the branch with her bra every time. And I go fast, she hollers faster. She's the first one at the hayloft ladder. A girl like that's what a country boy's after. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. She's 10 pounds of sugar in a 5-pound sack. Long straight away on a quarter-mile track. She got a kiss that'll hit you like a heart attack. I got the rifle, she's got the rap. And I go fast, she hollers faster. She's the first one up the hayloft ladder. A girl like that's what a country boy's after. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. I go fast, she hollers faster. She's the first one up the hayloft ladder. A girl like that's what a country boy's after. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. She cranks, she cranks, she cranks my tractor. John Deere lunch kit and a thermos full of Kool-Aid. September harvest and I missed another school day. 14 hours worth of work and dirt were lessons learned. Waist deep in those fields of gold, 7 tons of steel and a 12-year-old. Working hard just to keep it in a straight line. On the combine, hand-me-down overalls and an AM radio. Try to get it right the first time and take it slow. Alabama singing in a hurry and I don't know why. I'm in a hurry to get things done. Black clouds and it starts to rain, running short on time and out of faith. Nothing you can do but pray for the sun to shine on the combine. Every time I climb that ladder, it takes me back to things that matter. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 80 acres and a Friday night, first date dinner in the cabin beneath the moonlight, cushion on a 5-gallon pail, riding shotgun.